Edge off-road vloggage with, where is he? Oh my god. Oh, he's on the Ebes with the Deelmeister. Here he comes, look at this. This is what the viewers want to see. Comment below if you want Deely on a dirt bike in the vlogs.
Can't change gear.
Have you ridden a mountain bike before, Deely?
Not an electric one.
But you're getting a motorbike?
Hopefully.
Come on, let's go. Oh,
You know, I don't know if it's setting up this gear.
oh, shut up and ride it, man. You're not going to be like this on Enduro, are you?
Look, you don't need a pedal.
Yeah, that's a fair point. You still have to change gear though. Your hand's cold.
No, they're alright.
Oh, he's got man hands. See if we can squeeze through here, a bit of one-handed. Woo. We did it. You don't know how to change gear on a mountain bike?
It's not changing.
You broke Gubbins' bike? Is that what you're saying? He's broke your bike, Gubbins. Let's go film some carnage. It's a good job I can edit half of this out, innit? Run! Run, quick! Go on! Oh no! He's had a little tumble, lad. Tyre choice is crucial on here. What do you reckon they're running?
Probably rubber round ones.
A rubber round one. It's a good choice.
Probably Michelin from EnduroTires.com.
Oh, he's new to the vlog, but he's learning.
Might get myself a hat out of that.
Limiter. Yes. Oh, he's got. Oh, they're getting skilled all over. Oh. Oh, go on. Go on. Yes. Oh. Oh, did you see him roll down back over there? Gopes won't catch that, I don't think. It's too far away. It's baby lens. So we have an issue with Gubbins and Gubbins' bike with Deely. It's electronic shifter. What are you going to do?
Get a fucking cable shifter.
Not now, you're not. Oh, there is. Odd boy on gasser. Oh! Yeah, he got loose then. Come on, Daniel. Come on, Danielson. Go on, lad. Go on, lad. Bro. You want to get to Enduro tyres? I really want to film something really good. Whoa! Hey, yo, look how tiptoed I am now. That I can't even reach floor. We need e-bike lowering. Here we go. Fun walk, press it in. There we go. WR. Rap, rap. Singing 125. Woo! What was that, Deely?
Teddy and his little torso.
Tiny torso?
Tiny torso, Teddy.
That's what we should call him. Anyway, Tiny Torso is coming through on the motocross section and we're going to get him on pipe. Is that him? Teddy on pipe! Hey, the master, yeah? Elliot, see ya! On the pipe! Teddy has been on pipe, we've just filmed him through there. He looked actually. No, I'm not going to say it because we're on camera. He's in fifth, is he?
Yeah.
Is that in, what's that, under 14s? Yeah. Kids class, isn't he? Have you fixed your bike?
Oh yeah. Next week, hopefully for 12.
Good lad.
No gear, no idea.
Literally no gears.
And no idea how to get them.
We're gonna have to stop Gubbins mid-race and ask him how to use gears on this bike. Fancy lending him a bike with gears don't work with this new electronic shifter shit.
Single speed mountain bike.
Oh, we're into the slop, look at this.
Will they ride it again?
E-bikes are sick. Whoa! I hope stabilisation's working. Right, this is sketch. Got to get through this tree. Deely, follow me. Woo! We're on a ridge line, one-handed. Me and Deely on the eaves, full one-handed. There's a cliff edge here. We need to get on that track, don't we, to get round to there. Right, fans of the channel, Melt Media. I'm gonna vlog this bit because it's proper looking sketchy. Look at that. Look at that ridge we're gonna ride across. We're gonna do it one-handed on the eaves. Let's go. I can hear, what's up? Oh shit, look at the drop. These are the... That was so good, that event. We're talking about the first ever Spaunton Extreme. Yes, Deely. We're living dream here. This is so sketchy. One-handed e-biking on this ridge line. You alright, James? Ah! It's very uneven ground. You got this, bro. No helmet, Wellington boots. You don't care. I feel like this is the way. This is the way, James. Yes! E-bikes are mega! Help on that. Definitely harder than it was yesterday. Gubbins was struggling then. It's going to go around. Go on, Gubbins, lad! If you get straight up, yeah, fair enough. Of course I can, my friend.
Look at that. Here he comes on pipe.
What are you going to do with that? Go on, Gubbins, lad! Woo! Real that berm.
I'm going to go home.
Don't go! Go fix it. What have you done to your headlight?
I don't know, it's just the bike's actually in better condition than I am.
Is it? What's your name?
Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you, Paul.
See you later.
See you, pal. David Knight.
Oh,
reckon?
yes.
You're better than him, aren't you?
Oh, easy. On the pipe, son, on the pipe.
I heard he's only riding today because he heard that you weren't going to.
Oh, probably. Oh, that's it. I've got to give someone a chance. Do you know what I mean? That's why I came with wellies on, just so I couldn't get on a bike.
Ah,
we love it,
yes,
kid.
bro.
Nice to see you, my mate.
That's it, buddy. Pull it across. Let's push it first. Come on, right. All right. Go on. That's it, buddy. Keep going. Hello, Z. It's 13 or something.
He's zipping it as well, isn't he?
Tiny, wasn't he?
On the pipe.
How old is he?
Do you know who he is? this?
Yeah, Charlie Schofield.
How old's he?
14.
Is he 14?
Jesus!
Fucking hell.
Go on!
Back down and start again, kid.
He's not going back down from there.
Why not?
Oh!
Go on, boy. We're on you, big dog. We're on you.
Can't believe he didn't catch him.
I thought I'd catch him before he goes back down.
He was a fair unit as well. I thought he was going to take you down. That's a good line. Beater. That's good. Teddy, lad! Oh, Teddy!
On the pie!
Teddy, go again. You've got this. Yes, Teddy. Come on, Teddy, lad. Is he coming again, Sam?
He's coming again.
Yes. Brilliant. Nice. Yeah. I mean, he was doing it with us yesterday, but it was on 2-meter 200.
Yeah. Easier on 200.
Yeah, I think he would have.
Yeah, it's a bigger bite, isn't it?
Easy up there
Yeah.
as well. Yeah.
Right, I'll film him coming past here then. On the pipe! The bike's coming. Yeah. Quick, Deely!
Good job, isn't it?
Oh, we're living on the edge, aren't we now? Edge off road. Come on! Get in shot! I've got no front brakes, I've got one hand! Come on! One-handed downer!
Should have just gone down track.
Sack the track, we're off-roaders! Yes, Deely! Oh yeah? Cummins about to pass Teddy. We'll have to do a big crop to fill on that moment because we ain't going to see it. Yeah. Full Ronnie Mac! Go on, Cummins! Teddy on pipe! Enduro tyres on pipe. Ooh. GoPro will not make it out.
That's Fred.
I don't know. I don't know. You seeing red, Joe?
Fred. red.
Janet?
Janet? Red.
Red. Deely?
Red.
It looked a bit orange to me from here, I'll be honest.
It looked orange across the top of the
I
further
was
away it got.
not expecting it to be that orange.
And red.
They're wearing even Stephen.
No, you give me a fiver.
How's that work? That beater was definitely red. It's red! Oh. He was on pipe, wasn't he, that guy there? What bike is he on? That's sick. I don't know if we'll make a vlog of this, but if we do, this has been Edge Off Road, the actual race, and this has been James Deely, and we've been here on e-bikes.
Here he is.
Oh, hang on, we'll carry on. Look, we've got, he's limping. Wow, what a guy.
I think you've had a night there.
Spent the entire day punching trees and trying to piss myself.
Oh.
Any like relaxing bit, I was like, alright, I'll go now.
You guys there trying to get it. I don't think there's any batteries in it.
Oh, yeah.
It works.
We were going to stop you mid-race to ask you how to do it.
Does it?
We broke it. Small Teddy Mel. You look like you're going well there, Teddy. How was it?
Oh, that was hard work. Good though.
Yeah? You look good. You look really good. You're on pipe, weren't you? I saw you go past Niter.
Oh yeah. Whatever. That's why you're back before it. I'm beating back.
I think you've lapped him, Ted.
I'm free, I haven't. He's not back at man yet, is he?
Well, that's it. Sign us off.
That's it for another Melt Media video. Come on!
Bosh.
Bosh!
You got out to say for your fans, Ted? Do you want a refund on that hair you got done in Turkey because it's not looking great?
Try 3.5 hours on there.
On a fag tick.
Tom next week will be there.
Yes, brother. Shall we vlog Tong?
Yeah, vlog Tom.
If you want to see this Mel at Tong, tune in, like and subscribe, put your notifications on because you'll be able to see when the video comes out for the Tong episode. See you on the next one. Bosh!